Look at this. There are 4,152 subscribers in my trading group, and we're killing it. I got a few shout outs to give on my trading group. This person stated, signed up for VIP Elite, took your suggestion. I doubled my money in less than a week. This person, I'm up $58,000 in 10 days. Chris, thanks a lot for everything. I'm 3 or 4 months in the group. I've turned $4,000 into 65 grand. 65 G's out of 4,000. It's more than 10x. He more than 10x'd his money in the group. This person, I'm up $10,000 in the last week. I've got a cryptocurrency trading group. I've got 6 chat groups where everybody's calling out breakouts, posting charts, working together to trade this market. I've got 41 videos in a playlist. If you don't know anything about trading at all, nothing, you can watch these videos. You'll be making profitable trades. Number one reason why people join my trading group is I post profitable trading setups every single day, and we've been killing it. If you guys want to join the cryptocurrency trading group, you want to pay in crypto, email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. I'll get you set up and in the group today. You pay for 6 months in crypto, you get a 20% discount. You pay for the year in crypto, you get an additional month for free and a 30% discount. If you do want to pay with a card month to month on a monthly basis, you can do so. There's a Patreon link that's in the description. I want to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution, where we talk about everything crypto daily. Before we jump into this video, I want to ask you guys, smash a like button for me, subscribe to the channel, jump in right into the market. Today in crypto, Bitcoin. Real quick reminder, I'm giving away $500 in Bitcoin in 2 days. All you have to do for a chance to win, subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. I'm giving away $500 in free Bitcoin. Let's go. Bitcoin daily chart. So we've talked in the past 2 videos about this bullish MACD cross being a potential savior from this potential death cross coming. So you got the 50 simple moving average coming in the 200 here. This would be a death cross. Okay, not a good sign for Bitcoin. However, this bullish MACD cross, bullish idea, may pull the price action up, which will change the direction of the 50 simple moving average. It'll start to move higher. So again, all eyes are on Bitcoin. Right now, the stochastic RSI is a little bit overbought, but Bitcoin's trying to break key level, $40,000 overhead resistance. So if we zoom in, so we talked previously about getting this bounce here. We did get that bounce, and obviously Bitcoin's had some nice upside from about 35,600 up to close to 39,000. Now the bulls are over this overhead resistance right here at 40,000. So you start to think of more bullish ideas after 40,000 gets broken, 41,500, right? Things just get more and more bullish. We take it level by level. Good sign for the bulls. Definitely all eyes on Bitcoin. I've got some amazing shout outs to give in my trading group. This person stated, I made up all my losses from the past 2 weeks after the huge drop on one setup. The KSM setup that you posted. This person, and this is amazing. Imagine hitting a trade for $670,000 in profit. So he hit Doge on 10x leverage, $670,000, and he's in Puerto Rico, so no capital gains tax there. He killed it. This person, he said, I just got back from a trip in Mexico with my family. I paid for this trip with crypto based on your trading advice. So again, huge profits in the trading group. Bottom line is this is the biggest financial opportunity of our lifetime, without question. You do not want to look back a year or 2 from now and say, I wish I would have done things a little bit differently. I can make sure you're in the best, most profitable trading setups. If you want to join the trading group, go to my website, cryptorev.net. If you pay with crypto for 6 months or 12 months right now, it's 50% off. So this is Cody. I've got a setup for Cody on you in just a second, but we're up about 24%. Remember, altcoins news is stacked at the end of the month. I got a bunch of news for you too in this video. So, just we went over quite a few setups, but one I want to kind of reiterate is Cody going forward. So if you look, this is Cody news at the end of June. One-click payments. Mainnet launch is big.
Paywise, EMI license, Cody Pay. They've got DeFi CVI. They've got integration with Celsius, Trust Chain 2.0, DAG 2.0, Blockchain Dollars 2.0, Cody debit cards. Added a new node in June. They've added 350 new stakers to the program. Also, Cody just announced this today. They've got an NFT game with insane Cody prizes. They're giving away 2 million Cody. And this is going to start on June the 10th. Remember, Binance has a lot of essentially an NFT platform coming towards the 24th of this month. So this is a Cody setup. And right now, this price action's in potentially this ascending triangle, so there's some ideas where it might be topped out right here and you look to buy this lower trend line. If you're looking for more of an aggressive buy the breakout of this level right here. And then Cody's got real good potential for upside over the course of the month. Remember, the herd trades solely on news, and so they're going to start buying Cody as this anticipation grows for everything that's coming at the end of the month. PHA, this is a setup we had in the trading group, 39% profits on PHA. KSM, 30% profits on this one. So we talked previously about this Wyckoff reaccumulation idea, and I'm sure you heard it kind of all over YouTube as far as this being Wyckoff distribution. So if this is Wyckoff reaccumulation and Bitcoin is headed for much higher prices, it's playing out kind of like this, where $65,000 Bitcoin was the top. You got this big, huge sell-off and pullback. And now this price action, which looks very similar, right? Very similar to what we have out of Bitcoin right now, right? This triangle would allude to the fact that, we get a breakout to the upside of this triangle, and then we break this overhead resistance right around $40,000, $41,000 Bitcoin. And then you see explosive moves to the upside. Now, will this be some type of bull trap and you get a retrace and this puts in a lower high? Or is it off to the races, bull run ready? Are we going to $100,000 Bitcoin? We'll see. But for right now, it's just important to kind of understand there could be some significant upside when Bitcoin breaks above 40,000, 41,000. Okay. There's a new NFT collection by a world famous artist put together by Terra Virtua. Again, this is TVK. It says TVK News. Remember, these news catalysts help the price of these cryptos. Vechain Foundation came out, and they've announced My Baby is the world's first healthcare application connecting blockchain and IVF services. So again, Vechain staying in the news. This is China Central Television, CCTV. They're talking about UNISWAP on TV. Pretty amazing. Let's go. Google is revamping its ad policy for crypto exchanges and wallets. So essentially, exchanges and wallets will be able to advertise after an extensive kind of review process. But this is Bella Protocol. They said, we'll keep exploring the world of NFTs, and we're going to bring new use cases to this amazing technology. They also talked about the Mars ecosystem, which is a suite of DeFi products that's going to bring familiar mobile banking into crypto with just one click. You also have this DeFi lending product design and prototype at the end of this quarter. End of this month is the end of the quarter, right? So Bella has a lot of news stacked up, so keep an eye on Bella. This is Waves. They've got a DIP, and I said, a DIP? Yeah, DIP2. This is the Duck Improvement Protocol. NFT farming with 300% APY. And I think that's the big number. I mean, essentially, you want to attract users by paying large yields, annual percentage yields on these ideas. And this is NFT farming for Waves. IOTA came out. And we said they said that we've got these talks coming Central Time today, 6 p.m. And they've got a surprise for you. So they've released the IOTA 2 DevNet, and they're looking to announce this surprise today. So potentially IOTA's had an uptick in price. We had a setup on that as well. BitTorrent came out. They've got something prepared, and it's not a meme, they promise. So again, BitTorrent, I mean, it pumps hard when it pumps. And so potentially this is another coin that you want to pay attention to. Binance, BNB has had an amazing day, up about 15%. Binance CEO CZ believes BNB has the potential to become bigger than Apple and Amazon. And I think in crypto, Binance has done a really good job at positioning itself where it needs to be as far as like creating a very profitable coin. They've got the Binance Smart Chain, which is, there's clear advantages over other chains. They've got obviously the largest exchange by volume. So they've really, I mean, I would say they've become the Walmart of crypto. I mean, they're really trying to do it all. And so again, keep an eye on BNB long term. Obviously, BNB, just like all these other cryptos, has taken a hit, and potentially Bitcoin continuing higher would mean more upside for these altcoins. I want to cover Ethereum real quick. So this is a setup we had posted in the group, and we're up about 11% on this. But the most important thing to understand is with Bitcoin at this overhead resistance, right? And this is why I drew this little arrow here. What you want to see as far as a bullish idea, you know, the $40,000 has been rejected here on multiple times. Here it was support, right? So this is pretty decent resistance. And so the price action coming up here and getting rejected, not surprising. So when this happens, you're going to get an opportunity to pick up these USDT paired altcoins at a discount. But what you want to see, the Bitcoin bulls need a support bounce, or this essentially would be a retest of this triangle. If you get a bullish retest of this triangle, you're looking for upside continuation. But there's a lot of ideas about this, you know, necessary pullback on the RSI, for example. You know, so when the market's choppy like this, potentially some people take profits before overhead resistance, and then they'll buy back at support. But you have to ask yourself, is your skill set there? I mean, you can make yourself a ton of money selling at the resistance and then rebuying at support. So just definitely focus on that idea. So back to Ethereum, you can see you got this pullback based on Bitcoin's pullback and this overhead resistance. I've got a setup for you. I just kind of want to explain my thoughts on Ethereum because I think Ethereum looks better and stronger than Bitcoin. It's just Ethereum is at Bitcoin's mercy. It's hard for Ethereum to break all-time highs if Bitcoin's not moving higher, right? And so potentially, here's what you're looking at, right? Is major overhead resistance. See how the price action got rejected here, here, and here? Okay, that means all the sellers are stacked right here. Same thing happened here. Okay, so guess where the sellers are right now? They're right there. So until this price action can come up and break through here, it'd be great to pick up Ethereum after some type of move to the downside. I mean, potentially, 2600 area would be, an area you'd look for possible retest because there's a ton of support. So, I mean, if you were able to get that type of discount on Ethereum, but for me, the key is you get this breakout at 2,900, and when you get this retest, I will open up longs myself on this retest because this is where the strongest group of buyers, because everybody trades like this. They're all waiting for the price action to break out and pull back to this previous resistance becomes future support. The previous ceiling becomes the new floor. And so essentially that's where you look for extended upside. So your run from $2,900 Ethereum, where $3,200, $3,500 is in the cards, possibly even as high as $3,900. Again, very dependent on Bitcoin, but we've seen some good upside out of these altcoins over the past few days. If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.